Okay, so some of you know I've been on self-isolation for over just exactly a week now. I landed back, even though I started the isolation before it was mandated by the government, to see it was going well and not well in various countries, and some people were uncomfortable that I'd been on planes and been back to the States. But anyway, the advantage of living in a gorgeous, gorgeous spot, there's the Tasman Sea behind us, behind the deck there, is that people grow things. We have a beautiful climate here, and I wanted to show you what just got delivered today out of this special box from a local grocer. They've been growing some beautiful greens here. Phenomenal parsley. I'm just checking what's come in here. So an unboxing. I don't know, 3, 4 different kinds of beets. I love beets. They go in my smoothie. Looks like 2 different kinds of amazing. There's a skinny one, different kind of aubergine. I'm trying to remember the word in English. Some kind of squash. I love these squashes. Another kind of squash, a yellow squash. Let's see what else is in here. 2 zucchini, beautiful. They don't usually look like that at the grocery store, I can tell you that. A little bit of kale. No one needs too much of that. I'm sorry. Yes, we do. Kale is good for you. I got 2 beautiful bunches of carrots for sure. Those will not go to waste. Basil that I am still has the roots in it, so I'm going to throw that in some water and get that growing hydroponically. I'll cut off a bunch of leaves and cook with that. Some stunningly beautiful silver beet. Green onions, they'll go into something. Couple of leeks, or green onions, I'm not sure what they are. Small leeks, I'm going to guess. They look beautiful. And these I'm going to give away. I hate green peppers, but that's just me. And, oh, here we go. There's something else in the bottom here. A couple of fresh purple Tassie garlic. 1 purple garlic, it looks like. Can you see that coloring there? And some beautiful, oh, there we go. We get 3 of these. And a whole bunch of beautiful little tomatoes of various sizes and colors. So I love the concept of these food boxes, and this one, our first, is stunning. So support your locals.